All right, so another quick video here for OP chart. You're looking right now at the weekly time frame, and in the weekly time frame we have this support trend line, we have this horizontal support at around 0.84, and we have this resistance at around $1 area. So this will be the range for this entire week, guys. Watch out for this level. This is going to be our trading range. So watch out for the price action once it reach this support level here. We have some small supports along the way. We have this green line at around 0.9 acting as a support. Looking at the daily time frame, we have this green line as a support here, and we have this major support and in confluence with the support trend line at around 0.8426 area. So if you want a safer entry point, I would go on long position. If you're going to zoom out, not a financial advice, guys. If you're going to zoom out, we have this indicator here, and we have the support trend line. We got actually a bounce, several bounce from this support trend line. One from here, another one right here, October 2022. We got another bounce, and right now the price is approaching this support trend line, and we have some supports along the way. You can trade quick longs along the way, but overall I'm looking at this as a support, guys. Hopefully this will hold. Again, I have posted one announcement on how to trade price action in our VIP Discord. Feel free to check it out. So possible long entry point here, and let's check the risk to reward ratio from this point. We have this wicks below, so we need to be careful. This is around 11% in the daily time frame, but if you're looking at the smaller time frame, let's check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, here we have OB level here, OB or order block level, small orders waiting at around 0.89 area. This in confluence with our first support, or the green line here at 0.9. But overall I'm looking at this support here. Hopefully this will hold at around 0.84, so feel free to check it out. And if you're going to limit your risk, you can consider this wick right here, that will be around 6%, or if you want a more smaller risk, if you want smaller risk, but ideally I would place it here at around 0.7. I would consider this area here. So check price action. If we can get a bounce like this, look at this, we have small consolidation and a bounce. So similar to this one here, small consolidation at this area and then a bounce. Here we have a wick and then a quick bounce. But this is one thing that you don't want to enter long position here. If you see a big red flashing candle, so avoid this kind of entry right here. Wait for consolidation, or check a lower time frame like 15 minutes to 1 hour time frame if there is a buying pressure at the support area. Do not enter long position when you see a big red flashing candle. In my own experience, you will usually get wrecked. So that is not a financial advice. That is just my own opinion and based on my personal experience. So here, possible quick long or long position near the support trend line. If this continues to hold, let's check the 1 hour time frame for a more detailed price action. So here OP got rejected from this huge sell orders here, another sell orders right now at around 0.93 up to 0.94. so this is somehow a middle trade right now. So I would personally wait for a possible revisit of this support trend line right here, or if you are excited you can't wait, we have our first support at 0.9, but we don't have some order blocks right there. We don't have even order blocks waiting here. We have order blocks at around 0.67 and 0.6195. So medium to long term, I think likely it will revisit the previous lows here. Let's mark this area. We have OBs here. All right, 1, 2, and 3. So we have 0.53, 0.62, and 0.67 order blocks For OP, let's check. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So this is forming a symmetrical triangle, possible symmetrical triangle here. So our range remains the same. We have this resistance at 0.1 and we have the support at 0.8427. So no middle trades. Usually if you want to wait for safer entries, wait for the price to at least reach this support trend line or this horizontal support, and of course short near the resistance trend line. That's how I would trade this kind of chart. All right, so if you're scalping, you can check lower time frames, but for me personally, I'm always taking like swing trades. I'm not a fan of watching trades the entire day. So I usually just would enter long, leave it for a day, check it maybe 2-3 hours after. So that's how I trade, guys. So that's for OP. I'll see you in the next one.